Hello, my name is Rachna Pandukar and my roll number, MIT roll number is 171591, and I am submitting my assignment for advanced networking, which is a presentation slide on assignment 1. On assignment 1 we had to design the network for a small or medium enterprise network using LAN and WAN. Also we implemented the VPN service, and the proposal was designed so that also be used for the quotation for the vendors. And discussing about the scope is to develop a infrastructure including LAN and WAN, and then so that our network can handle the network traffic between the two offices situated at different geographical location. And for that, and the limitation is that if one server is down, it might other will also get affected. And the logical design is as follows. This is the main router, modem router. This is for the Sydney branch, this is for the Melbourne branch, and these two are connected via WAN connection. And so this is the server email, DNS, and VMware server for Melbourne. And similarly it also has the same kind of server. This is the core switch connected to the router, and this switch also lies in the WAN infrastructure, not in the LAN infrastructure. These are connected via trunk lines also, and these are the distribution switches, which are also called the aggregation switches. Distribution switches are further connected to the access switches into the office to give office with IP phone or the computers at different departments. I have designed 4 departments for each of the office, and each department has its own VLAN. Like VLAN for finance is different, student is different, and the VLAN can communicate the VLAN in the Melbourne network can communicate with the VLAN in finance, and but the student VLAN cannot access to the teacher VLAN. And the network traffic does not need to go from here to here if the connection is now the network topology diagram. The network topology consists of 3 layers: switch, core switch, distribution, and access. Access is the layer 2, and distribution and core is the layer 3 switching device. The core switching switch can be used for both routing and as well. And this is server 1. So let us go to the logical diagram. I am going to explain about redundancy and failover plan. Since this network is designed as per so that the SPOF, that is single point of failure, could not affect our network performance, and MPLS technology is along with the VPN service is used in here in the WAN connection, so that in case of the in case this link break down, but it still can communicate. Suppose this links break down, it can still communicate through this area. So MPLS is a technology which defines the alternative link, and VPN is utilized to encrypt the network communication and data. It is like a filter which filters the network packets, network traffic, and it allows secure communication between the WAN. The WAN has internet also present. It is like a barrier between the exterior and the interior. And for this is the WAN network, whereas this is the LAN network, local area LAN. And this LAN network is inside our office in Melbourne, and LAN 1, this is LAN 1, and this is LAN 2. So in LAN we have implemented VLAN service, VLAN virtually connected LAN, so that the different departments can communicate with each other. Also, I need to tell that VPN is like virtual network, it virtually connects to network, so we don't so the hardware requirements is not required. And then the IP address table is like this. The router one, I have given this to the serial port this, and the subnet mask is 17R2 similar, and S1 is for Melbourne and S2 is for Sydney. So this is the network address for the Melbourne, and this is the network address for Sydney. And broadcast as well, broadcast host, I have like 126 hosts on each office. That means 100 plus users in each network. And for this network I have designed two subnets. One is probably currently used, but other is taken as a spare, and so it can be used for the further use in the future. And so VLANs are created likewise. Conclusion. The conclusion is since we developed SME using LAN and WAN, and there may be certain protocols, routing protocols to provide a smooth service, and so